Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and I film weekly videos for you guys. Today, I look like a hot mess, but that's okay. I just did a quick little get ready with me. I talk about what I'm doing today, and probably by the thumbnail you're gonna be able to tell. So I'm going skydiving. Good morning, good morning, good morning. The OAR concert was so much fun last night. They really, truly are my favorite band, but man, am I paying the price for it right now? I look tired. I do. Oh, but today is the day. I'm gonna die. Like, there is a 1 in 100,000 chance that I may die. I don't know if that's the probability. Let me look up the probability of how many people die a year from what I'm about to do. They only measured this statistic in 2012. 19 people died in parachuting accidents in the United States. 1 per 100,000 jumps. I feel like that's kind of like a lot. 1 in 100,000, like how many people a day go to where I'm about to go? Like I could be that 101. I could be that 1 in 100,000. That could be me. Anyways guys, I'm going skydiving today and I'm freaking the F out if you can't tell. It is early, it is 8:21 in the morning. I am hungover, scared for my life. But we are gonna put some makeup on and we are gonna see if it withstands 120-mile-an-hour winds and probably me crying and maybe peeing on myself. All right, so I figured we would just do a little talk through, chit chat, get ready with me. Let me start by just like fixing these fucking lashes. They're pretty gray. I do have the new Norvina palette that I really want to try out, but I feel like that's a little bold for skydiving. Like, I'm not trying to be ethereal looking jumping out of a plane, you know? I'm gonna do as natural as I possibly can without being natural, you know? All right, I just need to get the nerves out. Get it out. We're gonna get it out together. Ooh, if any of you guys have been skydiving before and, well, if you're still alive, let me know down below. No, let me know how your experience was. The girl that I'm going with has already been and she really loved it. I did purchase the video, so I'm hoping I can insert some footage of me dying or not dying. I'm just gonna start off real quick by moisturizing. I'm just gonna use the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. And I feel like I'm dehydrated and hungover, so my skin is definitely dehydrated and hungover. And these braids are still holding on for dear life. I'm hopefully getting them redone right before I go. I don't know how to braid. I wish I knew how to braid, but I don't. Like, I can do like a regular braid, but not like these. This stuff smells so good. It's like orange heaven. And it does a really good job of moisturizing your skin. My sponge still wet? No. I do have the new Sapphire Beauty Blender that I'm gonna try out today. This is actually my first beauty blender that I've ever purchased. Oh, it feels so different. I'm normally accustomed to my Real Technique sponge, especially this guy, the Face and Body Sponge. I love this guy, just does it so quick. But we're gonna give this little egg a try. It is extra squishy, I'm kind of digging it. I'm gonna prime with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. You guys, if you saw it in my video before, it really is my new holy grail primer. Blue, are you digging to China? It just glides on so effortlessly. It really makes your skin look like perfection. It's just, oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with the way it looks, feels, smells, all of the above. I feel like this will last me a really long time too. And I probably use way more than you should, but I feel nice and hydrated. Well, I don't feel hydrated, my face feels hydrated. Real quick, I am just going to use the Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Beige. I feel like that goes on so nice. Like maybe nicer than my Real Techniques? Is that typical? But I feel like it soaked up a lot of the product. Like a lot. Okay, I feel like that really like blended my foundation so much better than my normal sponge. It's crazy. So now I get it. I get why it's 20 bucks. And are all colored? I know there's different colors, so like, are they all like this? Have you guys tried any other ones? I'm curious to know, because this one is freaking great. I'm just going to conceal a tiny bit with the Born This Way concealer. These guys really just work super well together. We are going to do, I'm not gonna do like a contour or highlight or anything with creams. We'll just do a little bronzing of the face. I'm just gonna take MAC's Give Me Sun, which is really the best, just the best bronzer. I've really been into coconut everything lately because I'm like weaning off of dairy for this paleo thing, but that's a whole other story. And they make a coconut creamer, and it's dairy-free, lactose-free, gluten-free, everything free, and it tastes so good, and you only need like a tiny little bit. Okay, so for the eyeballs, I think I'm just gonna do my go-to, and that's the Lorac Pro. You can see it is a loved on palette. I literally take this thing everywhere with me. It is my favorite neutrals palette. I'm just going to dust it over the eyeballs. So yeah, I've been on this diet journey for like probably 7 weeks now, and I'm down a total of 18 pounds, which is fantastic. I'm so happy with the results. It is the paleo diet. I was thinking about making a video. There's a lot on how to be paleo. But I think maybe once I hit my goals, I will talk to you guys a little bit more about my fitness journey. Okay, yeah, so what I did is I just literally took these 3 shades and I just go over them. It's not a crazy detailed look. It's just quick and easy, and you know, like I said, we're going skydiving. So I'm not trying to look too put together. Okay, so I guess, I am going to set the face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm sure I'm gonna be crying, so let's see if this bitch is really waterproof. Let's load her up. Because I'm telling you, I'm gonna cry. Like, I'm probably gonna cry the entire way down. Maybe I just won't even open my eyes. Who knows? Okay, I'm not gonna highlight. Last step, I am just going to set the face. I've really been liking this combo because after I use that powder, I feel like my face looks super matte. So this Tarte Mist really brings life back to my face. That just went all in my coffee. And then the Morphe. I just love this combo. Give me life back. And that is it. That is my quick little get ready. The next time you see me, guys, I will have jumped out of a plane. Freaking out. So yeah, I will hopefully not die, and I will see you guys real soon. And do me a favor, if you liked this kind of video, get ready with me, little quick just chit chat. Let me know, hit the thumbs up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click it, like it, love it, watch it, follow me on my journey. The coffee's kicking in. Clearly I'm wired, and I will see you guys in my next video. On our way to go skydiving! Yay! I'm so scared!
Of my drive?
Yeah, I love your driving. It's bad.
Jackie. How are you?
Fantastic.
What are you doing?
Standing here waiting to go.
Waiting to go where?
Out of an airplane.
No way.
Yep.
Shut the front door. Get out. Your first time?
Yes.
I bet you're excited.
Nervous.
It's okay to be nervous your first time. Don't worry, there are a lot of good instructors here. Look, as long as they didn't put you with Ilya, you'll be fine. So what do you think it's going to be like?
Quick.
Might be? What do you say we go find out?
Yeah.
All right, girl, have a good skydive. We'll see you up there. How do you feel? In a few minutes, we'll be in free fall, 120 miles an hour. Does that scare you?
Yep.
I was talking to him.
Jackie, tell me it's gonna be okay.
All right, well, good luck. Have fun. I'll see you guys outside. Have fun, you guys. See you on the ground. that wasn't so bad, was it?
That was awesome.
It was pretty cool, huh? Would you do it again?
Ooh, absolutely.
Even with him?
Maybe not.
Alright?
Absolutely.
Alright, congratulations. Nice cut of you guys. Thanks for letting me come along.
Thank you, Billy.